Hi, I'm Scott Ferguson. I'm an editor with Light Reading covering cloud computing, and we're here at Mobile World Congress 2018, and we're talking to Manoj Raisinghani. He's the Vice President of Networking and Cloud at Citrix. You have a big presence here at Mobile World Congress 2018. What's behind that? What is Citrix trying to show?
This is all about a connected world, and Citrix is one of the key providers in this connected world. It's all about providing that experience with that flexibility and making sure that security is balancing across all of that.
You're showing off here at the show the Citrix Secure Digital Perimeter. Yes. It's kind of on the board in back of us. Yes. What is that about?
So Secure Digital Perimeter is actually the way we surround the user virtually and provide security across all the data, the apps, and all the network and the devices that they are using to basically get their job done. What's happening here is that if you take a look at a workspace that has gone beyond the firewall into the hybrid multi-cloud world and multi-device world. So Secure Digital Perimeter allows us to provide that level of security in a very seamless way without compromising any kind of experience and making sure that the users and IT has all those choices that they need.
What other services are provided then with it?
As part of SDP, we're providing access security, application security, the analytics that actually takes all that information that we have in part of the Citrix infrastructure and providing a lot more intelligence and insight so that you can apply the right kind of policy to the right kind of condition that the user is in as they use the workspace.
Now, every year, Mobile World Congress, there's a lot of talk about service providers. What's your relationship with the service providers?
So service providers are actually finding it very interesting to add a lot more value in their markets. And one of the things that they're talking to Citrix about is things like SD-WAN services, right? So they can actually take an SD-WAN environment from us, which is now enabled with LTE, wireless, and get a branch or a clinic or an office started up in a few hours, and not have to wait for those connections like MPLS and those kind of things that took a lot longer. So we're making it really fast for them to go provide these solutions to their customer base.
And finally, the other part of Mobile World Congress are the device manufacturers, and what's your relationship like with them?
It's been actually a long-standing relationship with all the folks who are actually running iOS, Android on their devices, and now also the Mac OS and the Windows 10 devices. We actually provide something called as unified endpoint management and also that endpoint experience. So we provide those kind of policies by which those operating environments can actually work in a very secure fashion, again, with the best possible experience and the right amount of flexibility that they need. So we've been working very closely with these manufacturers. Now the next thing that's coming in is IoT and Workspace Hub. We announced Workspace Hub at the MWC conference. And one of the things is if you wanted to basically just cast a session from your device onto a screen in a conference room, you could do this in a very seamless manner because we make it possible as part of our overall management.
Manoj, thank you so much.
Thank you.